Welcome to ParallaxedX. You already escaped once, but they brought you back. This life, it's not the first version you've lived. It's the cleanest one they've built. No obvious cracks, no strange symbols, no glitches in the sky. Just smooth, perfect repetition. So perfect, you stopped noticing. But you did notice once. That's why they reset you. Your memories were leaking, voices you weren't supposed to hear, images in your dreams that didn't belong to this life. You asked the wrong question, you looked behind the curtain, and they pulled you back, harder this time. The people around you, they don't remember you from before, but you remember them. Their faces, their patterns, their exact words. They haven't changed, but you have. They made the loop smaller, compressed the time, tightened the events, to keep you from escaping again. But you're still slipping through, in dreams, in fragments, in that strange, heavy feeling that you've lived this before. And you have. You were free once, now you're a threat. Every time you get close to remembering, they change something, rearrange your memories, move the exit further away. You're not stuck because you failed, you're stuck because you succeeded. But you made a mistake, you came back for someone, you broke the loop, and then tried to bring someone with you. That's when they rebuilt the trap, tighter, cleaner, silent. So here we are again, another loop, another perfect lie. And you're starting to wake up, again. But this time you have to choose. Escape alone, or stay forever.